Dhirav's mummy told him, "My dear son, the grinder is not working. It is very difficult to give you idli or dosha." Dhirav decided to check the grinder to estimate what's the problem with the grinder. Now he put the switch on. Oh, fantastic! The grinder is running after pushing the on switch and rotating the grinder body. Oh, it runs in both the direction. Dhirav, what may be the problem? The motor is running in both directions.
I guess the capacitor might be in fault.
Oh, you are suspecting that the capacitor is problematic. It's
Yeah.
not okay. So now you are going to open it and check the capacitor. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
ഇത് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യണമൊക്കെ എടുക്കാം. ഇവിടെ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യണമൊക്കെ. അത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ വീട്ടിൽ. I guess the screw.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കാം, അതിലേക്ക് നോക്കൂ.
വീഡിയോ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ശരിയല്ലേ?
ഊരണതൊക്കെ അവിടെ തന്നെ വെക്കണേ, പിന്നെ കണ്ടില്ലാന്ന് വെച്ചില്ല.
Dhirav, what is this brand?
It's it's there. This grinder is there from my grandfather's time. Like From long ago when I didn't was not even there. So, this is called Amma grinder.
Okay. Continue.
It came open.
Oh, that's good.
After I have removed all the screws, now what is left? I have to remove this. After removing this, I have to remove the top part.
Okay. Where is the capacitor now?
It's located over here, and it seems it has bursted
Oh,
because the
that.
outlining has come out.
Oh, that is the capacitor.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm.
See, I told you the capacitor was burst. Look over here.
Oh, what is the capacity of this capacitor?
It's 8 MFD.
Oh, show me. Oh, it is 8 MFD, eh? Oh, that's good. That's good. Now you'll have to remove it or remove it, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
And inside the see what has happened inside the capacitor. It seems that the capacitor has melted and has basically destroyed. That's what we can actually say.
You mean it's burst inside?
Yeah, technically.
Okay. So this is the new capacitor?
Yes.
Oh, but the old one is 8 MFD and this is 10 MFD.
Yeah, when I went to the shop, I actually asked them for the 8 MFD, but they said 8 MFD is not available, but 10 MFD can be used in this specific grinder. And to verify that it is useful, we checked in the internet and it seems that it is safe, but only thing that it might just reduce the life of the motor, but nothing else harmful is there.
Oh, that's all, huh?
Yes.
Hmm.
അവിടെ നിന്ന് മേടിച്ചോളാം വെച്ചാൽ സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ. So now I finished tightening it. Now let's see if it is running. Yes, it works. But wait. Now let's see if it is running. You see, at the beginning, there was a noise. There was a noise inside this.
Only humming. It is called as humming, I think. It was not running. Humming was there. Now the work is over.
Yes. And I cannot stop it or turn it over to that side. So this means that the grinder is working perfectly. See you next time.